Is Rocket Money payment easy to cancel? Intro. Hey there, you've signed up for a service, expecting convenience and savings. But what if that service turns out to be more trouble than it's worth? Today, we're diving into the world of Rocket Money and answering the burning question, is it easy to cancel your Rocket Money payment? Hook. Have you ever felt trapped in a subscription service, dreading the day you'll have to cancel? Rocket Money, a popular personal finance tool, promises to simplify your financial life. But what happens when you decide it's not the right fit? Let's find out. Understanding Rocket Money. Before we get into the cancellation process, let's briefly understand what Rocket Money does. It's a subscription-based service that helps users identify and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate bills, and track their spending. While it can be a valuable tool for many, there might come a time when you want to move on. The cancellation process. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you cancel your Rocket Money payment? While the exact steps might vary slightly over time, here's a general overview of what you can expect. Step 1. Access your account. The first step is to log into your Rocket Money account. You can usually do this by visiting their website or using their mobile app. Step 2. Locate the Settings or Account section. Once you're logged in, look for a section labeled Settings, Account, or something similar. This is where you'll typically find options related to managing your subscription. Step 3. Find the cancellation option. Within the Settings section, you should be able to find an option to cancel your subscription. It might be labeled as Cancel Membership, Unsubscribe, or something similar. Step 4. Confirm your decision. Rocket Money might ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. They may also provide options to pause your subscription temporarily or downgrade to a free plan. Step 5. Complete the cancellation. Once you've confirmed your decision, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. You might need to provide additional information or answer a few questions. Common issues and solutions. While the cancellation process should be straightforward, there might be a few common issues you could encounter. Difficulty finding the cancellation option. If you're having trouble locating the cancellation option, try searching for keywords like cancel, unsubscribe, or membership within the settings section, *. Confusing language or options. Some services might use confusing language or offer multiple options. Make sure you read carefully and choose the option that aligns with your intention to cancel, *. Technical difficulties. If you encounter any technical problems during the cancellation process, try contacting Rocket Money's customer support for assistance, *. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when canceling your Rocket Money payment. Review your subscription details. Before canceling, double-check your subscription details, including the billing cycle and any recurring charges. Consider pausing or downgrading. If you're not ready to cancel completely, Rocket Money might offer options to pause your subscription or downgrade to a free plan. Contact customer support if needed. If you have any questions or encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support team. Conclusion. So, is canceling your Rocket Money payment easy? Based on the information we've discussed, it should be a relatively straightforward process. However, the exact steps might vary slightly depending on the platform you're using and any changes made by Rocket Money. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.